Well, that concludes the fuel tank removal. Actually, as crusty as it appears, it doesn't look bad. I'll have to open it up and get inside and get a look at it. I think it's restorable. He wants a new one. I don't know if he wants to save bucks. But this tail panel, or tail light panel, or trunk panel, is pretty rough. So, as you saw, I took the gas tank out. The trunk drops are kind of crusty. The floor itself, not bad, not great, but we'll make do with that. I have to decide where I'm going to cut this thing. I got a pretty good idea, and then section it out, repair it, put it back together. I figure 3 or 4 days. Probably 2 days to get it out and replaced if I could get one, but they're not easy to get here in Canada. So I'm gonna do one last check and see if I can get one, and talk to the customer, see if he wants to go for it or not. Ultimately, that would be the best course of action for this, but I don't think he's too keen on it. Well, time will tell. I'll find out shortly, but thanks for watching, and I hope this next video goes good.